In this guide, I'll show you how to download and install free games on your Xbox Series S or X. So from the home menu, scroll down and we're going to select Browse the Store. Now this is going to open up the Microsoft Store. So what you want to do is scroll over to the left sidebar and scroll down to Games. And then we're going to scroll over and go to Top Free Games. Now once you're in this section, you're going to see a wide variety of very popular games. So what you want to do is find the game you want to download for free. In this example, I'm just going to select Rocket League, and then you want to select Install. Now, when you select Install, if you press the X button on your controller, you'll see that it's going to begin automatically installing. So it looks like I have an update before it's going to begin, but if you want to see the full queue, you can select it here, and then it's simply just a matter of waiting for these downloads to install on your Xbox, and then it'll pop up on the home menu where you'll be able to play the game. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.